Hello, Amazon Nation! Good day to all of you. Today, we have a very special guest. Isa na namang farm seller. And this is very exciting because she will let us know how's the Amazon journey. Ito na malapit na tayong bumalik sa normal ulit. So, ito na siya. Let's all welcome Jen. Hi, Jen!
Hello, Coach.
Hi, good
Hello po.
good day to you. Ayan. So, kumusta? Kumusta ka naman? Are you okay?
Okay naman po, Coach.
Alright. So,
Mabuti po.
gusto kong malaman, because introduce kita sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon sa Amazon Nation, sa YouTube, at sa iba pa nating social media channel. Sino si Jen bago maging Amazon seller?
I am an accountant po. I've been working sa corporate for almost 10 years. Bale, lumipat-lipat na rin po ako ng company. Nag-audit po ako, nag-financial analysis. And then ngayon po sa finance po ako under an insurance company.
Oh, wow. Insurance company din ako. So siguro talaga pag nasa insurance company ka, lalo na ako nung nasa industry pa ako ng insurance and financial industry, ang daming training about how to achieve financial freedom, mga passive income, different ways on how to save and grow your money. And I'm sure because of that inspiration, nag-explore ka. And ayan na nga, paano mo na-meet or na-laman yung Amazon Nation? Saan mo to nakita?
Naalala ko, Coach, may nakita po ako sa Facebook na ad ni Amazon Nation. Ang sinabi niya doon is, kung gusto mo ba na magkaroon ka ng business and passive income na hindi ka umaalis ng bahay and konting time lang yung i-allot mo sa kanya.
Oh, okay. So yun yung kumbaga, that's your biggest goal, no? To have to not only to be financially free, but also have a time and freedom for yourself.
Yes po.
Yan. If I may ask, Jen, do you have a family? May anak ka na ba?
Ngayon po single po ako, pero nag-share po ako sa bahay. Bale, yung father ko po kasi is working abroad since bata pa po ako. So, naisip ko rin po na mag-join sa fam and magkaroon ng business para pagbalik niya po, ako naman yung parang magsusupport din sa family. Tapos, yun po. Minsan naisip ko rin po kasi na para lumaki yung income ko, mag-abroad ako, ganyan. Pero if there is a way na kumita ka ng enough money to support you, na dito ka lang sa Pilipinas, and in the comfort of your own home, bakit hindi na lang yun yung gawin ko? Isa pang advantage nun is makakasama mo yung family mo.
Yes. I can feel you again. Kasi Jen, ang dami-dami nating students inside the Filipino Amazon Masterclass community and also the ASPA family na OFW yung nanay and tatay nila. And I'm sure miss na miss mo na yung yung parents mo. Well, lucky for your dad kasi hindi siya natanggal sa trabaho, no, despite this pandemic, pero marami talagang natanggal sa trabaho. And because of that, feeling ko ang tagal mo na siya hindi nakasama.
Yes po, matagal rin po.
Okay, so this is your biggest why you joined the Filipino Amazon Masterclass community. Okay, so now that you are inside the Filipino Amazon Masterclass community, kumusta? How's your journey inside FAM? What have you learned?
Sobrang exciting po nung journey from the start, from registration, yung product research, and then looking for the supplier. Parang each phase, exciting po siya. And marami kang matututunan. There were some instances na nahirapan po ako. Like for example, sa product research, parang kailangan mo mag-allot ng maraming time for it. Tapos sa supplier, may mga supplier na mahirap kausap. Tapos yung pag-negotiate ng price, medyo mahirap din siya. Pero since may mentor naman po na nagtuturo and napapagtanungan, mas naging madali po yung journey ng selling sa Amazon.
Nabanggit mo na mahirap yung from product research to product launch. Mga gaano katagal ka nag-spend ng time for product launching and supplier sourcing?
Nag-start po ako early December last year. Pero that time po kasi I was enrolled under advance. Medyo nahirapan po ako that time kasi although may lessons po na sa videos na yun yung ifo-follow mo, mas madali po for me nung nag-enroll po ako sa Inner Circle kasi mas nag-guide po ako ng maayos ng coach. Nung may questions po ako, kasi may time po sa product research, parang nag-struggle po ako kasi may mga tanong po ako na hindi ko siya masagot on my own. So, since nandiyan naman po yung coach ko, parang mas na-enlighten po ako dun sa mga tanong na yon. And mas naging madali po for me na hanapin yung right product, ganyan.
I see. Ayan. So, para sa mga viewers natin na hindi nakakaalam kung ano yung advance at ano yung with coach, meron po kami 2 programs, Filipino Amazon Masterclass. One is advance, yung tinatawag namin na DIY. It's meant for people na gusto nila on their own pace, gusto nilang mas mabilis or mas take it slow but surely, ganon. So, if you're not that kind of a person, tapos gusto mo talagang someone can really guide you, pwede kang pumasok sa inner circle, and the inner circle is the one with the coach. At yun na nga ang ginawa ni Jen. Nag-upgrade siya and meron siyang coach. So, the coaching, tama ba Jen? Meron kayong one-on-one and also you have masterminds? Weekly,
Yes po.
weekly nga ba yun? Or twice a month?
Monthly masterminds, tapos meron pa pong one-on-one coaching. So, kung may tanong ka specifically on your product na hindi mo matanong kapag ka mastermind kasi may ibang classmates na nandun, matatanong mo siya personally sa coach on a one-on-one interview.
I see. Okay. So, ayun. At dahil dyan, na-mention mo kanina na ang dami mong products na na-research and nung nandyan na yung coach, mas na-guide ka. Bakit ano yung failure or experience mo doon ba sa product research? Ano yung challenges?
Yung challenges ko po, siguro po yung sa product research is may mga items po na feeling ko okay siya. Napasok siya dun sa criteria natin. Pero pag tinignan ng mas malalim ng coaches, may nakikita siya na hindi mo napansin. So, yun po.
Okay. And yan, good. So, after nakailang trial ka ng products bago mo nakita yun talaga, ito na talaga ila-launch kong product?
Actually, coach, meron po akong 3 parang on my list. And then, nung tinanong ko yung coach ko about those 3 products, nag-drill down na lang kami dun sa isa na mas pasok dun sa criteria natin.
I see. Alright. Tapos, after ilang buwan mo bago na-launch yung product na yun?
Siguro po, nung nag-join po ako kasi ng Inner Circle, Feb siya. Nag-enroll ako ng advance nung December, tapos nag-enroll na po ako ng Inner Circle ng Feb. After that, nakapag-launch po ako ng July. So, Feb, March, April, May, June. 5 months po.
5 months. Oh, good. That's fast and you're on track on the program. Ayan, so na-launch mo na. Naalala ko yung first launch ko. Talagang kinakabahan ako. Hindi ko alam kung bibenta ba yung product o hindi. Wala I don't know. Sadyang kailangan ko talaga mag-fail that time. Pero ikaw, kumusta yung first product na nilaunch mo?
Yung first product na na-launch ko po, surprisingly, naubos po yung first inventory ko in 3 months. Actually, hindi ko po ini-expect na mauubos siya kaagad. Kasi parang ano po parang marami na rin pumasok na new products since nung nag-product research ako until nung nilaunch ko siya. Pero yun po, naging okay naman po yung launch phase ko.
Wow! Naubos siya kahit na may mga same or similar product ng product mo. Tama ba?
Yes, coach.
So ibig sabihin yan, para sa mga nanonood, ibig sabihin yan, meron siyang ginawa sa product niya na kakaiba para kahit na may maraming mag-launch ng product na yon, ikaw pa rin yung pipiliin dahil merong something dun sa product mo na hindi naisip ng ibang competitor. So, good job, Jen. Ayan. So, congratulations at naubos mo kaagad. And your second batch of inventory on the way na or naka-refill ka na ng stocks?
Ngayon po, naka-refill na po ako. And then, naghanap na rin po ako ng variation. So, may dalawa po akong i-add early next year.
Oh, wow! Yay! Ay, galing! Oo, naku. Yan yung sikreto ko rin doon sa winning product ko nung nalaman ko na okay siya, nag-create ako ng variation. Para at least, kumbaga yun na yung cash cow mo to produce and add more variation and products. Ayan, good job. And guys, take note ha, si Jen, meron siyang full-time job. Alright? Full-time, corporate, tama ba dyan? Pumapasok ka talaga physically sa office ngayon?
Since nag-pandemic po, work from home po, 9 to 6 p.m. Sometimes nag-extend din po. Pero ang okay po dito is since online selling siya, nagagawa mo siya at home. So kahit weekends ka mag-work on your business, okay pa din siya.
I can imagine your schedule. Ilang oras mo siya ginagawa per week?
Start po siguro since yung product research yung matagal. Nag-spend po ako siguro ng 3 hours or 2 to 3 hours per day. Researching and reading po yung nandun sa class. Yung videos po doon, watching those videos. Pero ngayon po, since more of maintenance siya and checking na lang, siguro po mga 4 hours a week. Ganun na lang po yung sinespend ko.
Wow! Ang galing naman yun. Alam mo, Jen, akala nila hindi possible yung ganitong type of business na pwede mo siyang i-maintain ng 4 hours a week, but you are living testimonies to it. So, good news. All right. Would you mind if I ask you if you can share with us kumbaga, paano ba ito sasabihin? Estimate of your year-to-date or last 30 days sales.
Yung last 30 days sales ko po, around $3,000 per month.
$3,000 per month. Good start, yan. And with the variation, I'm pretty sure that it will increase. At lalo na ngayong holiday kasi this holiday, malapit na, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, at saka mga Christmas. Christmas season. Kaya good thing na naka-replenish ka na agad ng product. Ayan. So, thank you for sharing with us that. Can you give naman top three advices that you think aspiring Amazon sellers need before starting Amazon selling? Because I know that you went through a lot. And even if it's just 5 months before you launch the product, I know with your time, very, very hectic, kaya nga nag-upgrade ka din and kumuha ka ng coach. Top 3 advice that you can give to aspiring Amazon sellers?
Siguro po, number 1 is if you want something, just go and do it. Kasi po, may times before na nagda-doubt ako kung kakayanin ko ba to, baka mahirapan ako, ganyan. Pero if you really want something or something to change in your life, parang kailangan mo siyang gawin, kailangan mong itry. Kasi you will never know kapag natakot ka, parang hindi mo malalaman na kung kaya mo pala or kung magsasucceed ka. Since I tried, parang yun, nalaman ko na kaya ko naman pala siya. Pag natutunan mo siya, hindi na siya ganun kahirap. And since may coach naman po, may guide ka, you will not be lost. Pangalawa naman po is, it will be hard, yung journey. Pero if you know kung bakit mo siya ginagawa, if you know your biggest why, parang i-disregard mo na lang po yung mga doubts mo. Pag nahirapan ka, parang babalik ka doon sa why mo. Kung para kanino mo ba ginagawa yung business na to. Yun. And kapag ka may problems, may issues, may trials na haharapin ka dito sa business na to, parang babalik ka lang din dun sa biggest why. Third is, do not be afraid to ask questions. Sometimes po, siguro personality ko po kasi yun na minsan nahiya ako magtanong. Pero since nandiyan naman yung fam, may coach ka, parang kailangan mong matuto, kailangan mong, if you really want to do this, kailangan mong malaman kung ano yung mga ginawa nila, kung bakit sila nag-succeed. So yun, don't forget to ask, don't be afraid to ask if you have questions.
Ang ganda ng mga sinabi niya, guys, no? Don't be afraid, first of all, no, to try to take the leap of faith. Pangalawa, don't be afraid to ask questions. Yan, and syempre know your biggest why. Thank you for that, Jen. Okay, guys. So, ayun po. I hope you're inspired with the story of Jen. Marami pa tayong ibang Filipino Amazon sellers. Marami tayong mga OFW who want to go home for good and be with their family. If you are one of those people who like a change in your life, check us out. Try and try something new in 2022. I'm pretty sure na hindi namin kayo pababayaan. The coaches are there and we always have monthly mastermind. Andyan din si Jen. Andyan din si Jen. Pag makakasama natin siya sa mga mastermind natin sa AMZEC, yan na naman tayo AMZEC, and monthly yon, we can ask questions unlimited dyan. Tsaka, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil meron tayong mga video tutorials also that you can actually watch all over and over and over again para hindi kayo ma-lost. And of course, 2022, I'm sure ang dami ng features na bago ni Amazon. If you watch my webinar dito sa YouTube, ang dami-dami po nating mga bagong program ni Amazon that will help a lot of sellers next year. So ayun po, maraming salamat again, Jen. Thank you to your coach as well. And thank you for not giving up on yourself. I really hope and pray that someday pag uwi ni Daddy, tama ba si Daddy, makasama mo siya and your income doon sa iyong business will be enough not only to sustain yung kailangan mo ngayon sa iyong family, but also, diba, to have a time and financial freedom na gusto mong makamit. So, thank you again, Jen. And thank you everyone for watching. Bye-bye.